Ladies and gentlemen, Greg Michalowski from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex Quick Look. I'm going to take a look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. Today's date is August 5th, 2024. The pair started off with like gangbusters to the downside, and then has rotated back to the upside, actually making new highs on the day in the US session. So all of that deserves a talk, and that's what I'm going to do in this video. So let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart, and you can see this sharp move to the downside from Friday's closing level right here, around the 59, 50, 58 type area, rotated all the way down to get below the low prices through here. These are the April low prices, and this is the July low price that came within this swing area here between 0.5851 and 0.58595. The problem is that the low price in trading here today only reached the 48 level. That was only 3 pips below the low of the extreme here. Not good enough, folks, and we started to see a rotation back to the upside. That rotation to the upside was actually pretty furious in that we took out the high price or the closing level from Friday's trade. So we had a full lap from the downside to the upside in a big, huge range. And we came up to a high price near the 0.59701 level. It was actually 0.4 level. That got within about 5 or 6 pips of this falling 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. Came in around 0.59. Looks like 756. So pretty close there on the move to the upside. So sellers are leaning against that level. Recall from Friday, the price came even closer to that 100 bar moving average. So maybe there's something about the 100-hour moving average. Could it be that the sellers are leaning against? If the price were to go above those levels, I think we would shift the bias more to the upside. So that's how those moving averages work. The subsequent move to the downside has taken the price down to a low right around this level. And to seeing the importance of that level, you have to go to the hourly chart. And if I go to the hourly chart and look at this corrective low off of the high, the low price came in just above what was the green line right here, which is the 200-hour moving average. Now, admittedly, the price moved below the 100-hour moving average, but staying above the green line, the 200-hour moving average. So there's a battle going on now between both of those moving averages that will be determined if the price can get below that level, in which case we move lower through here, or we move higher and we start to move back toward the 100-bar moving average on the 4-hour chart as a key level to get to and through and that directional bias. So neutral area for the market, somewhat neutral area for the day, although actually higher from the range standpoint, closer to the close from Friday's level. But we do know that we do have topside resistance that's has been putting a lid on that currency pair, the New Zealand versus US dollar, over the last 2 trading days. So we got to be cognizant of that, and that keeps the sellers more in control. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.